This presentation is an analysis of evaluating coho salmon habitat in protected versus non-protected areas, conducted by the Poppies, Marina Davies, Clara Mallon, and Olivia Johnson. So why should we care about salmon? The native population of coho salmon found in Marin County belong to an evolutionary significant unit of coho salmon, the Central California CoastCoho salmon, which are listed as endangered both federally and in the state of California. Due to increased development in Marin County, coho salmon habitat has declined and their population has followed. For thousands of years, coho salmon thrived in the streams of western Marin County. However, today their spawning stocks are only 1% of historic levels. The purpose of our study is to determine if land management strategy influences habitat quality. To demonstrate our site suitability, we chose to analyze creeks that reside in 3 different types of managed land. Lagunitas Creek is managed by 3 agencies: State Parks, National Park Service, and the Marin Municipal Water District. Redwood Creek is managed by 2 agencies, State Parks and National Park Service. And lastly, Old Mill Creek is not actively managed. Our objective was to determine how differently managed lands affect the suitability of creeks for coho salmon populations, and to create an analysis of these streams to identify potential areas for future stream restoration projects within Marin County. To conduct a site suitability analysis of our stream sites, we chose 3 parameters which we believe are the most influential on coho salmon habitat. We looked at canopy cover, elevation, and barriers. Canopy cover is essential for coho salmon because it provides shade over streams, cooling stream temperatures. Elevation is important because a slope of 15% or more over 160 meters may serve as natural barriers that prevent coho salmon from migrating upstream. Lastly, man-made barriers such as culverts and dams are important because they may inhibit salmon from swimming upstream to spawn. Pictured on the screen is a diagram of the geoprocessing steps and analysis we conducted for stream site suitability. To summarize, we conducted a weighted site suitability analysis of our study streams using our 3 parameters. We reclassified each dataset to a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being most suitable and 5 being least suitable, to characterize ideal conditions for coho salmon. After reclassification, we conducted a weighted overlay to determine stream quality by 160-meter sections. We decided that barriers and slope would be more influential, so we assigned weights of 40% to barriers and elevation and a 20% weight for canopy cover. We assigned each 160-meter section of stream a value of 1 to 3, 1 representing most suitable and 3 representing least suitable. Once all sections of the stream had a suitability value, we averaged the sections to create a total suitability score representing the overall quality of that stream. Our results showed that Lagunitas Creek had the lowest suitability score of 1.49. Redwood Creek had the second lowest score of 1.97, and Old Mill Creek had the highest score of 1.99. Lagunitas Creek had the lowest suitability score, making it the most suitable creek in our study. This may be due to the management of 3 different agencies. In addition, large stretches of suitable stream habitat are located within Marin Municipal Water District land. Therefore, we determined that local agencies may play a significant role in management strategies for coho salmon habitat. Redwood Creek is managed by the National Park Service and state parks. However, since its suitability score is not significantly different from Old Mill Creek, we determined that the National Park Service and state parks management strategies do not significantly influence stream quality. To summarize our results, we found that Lagunitas Creek has the most suitable habitat for coho salmon populations. We determined that multiple agencies, especially local agencies, can effectively manage and influence suitable stream habitats. Finally, we recommend that Redwood Creek and Old Mill Creek should be future sites for stream restoration projects to help improve their site suitability for coho salmon populations. We want to thank the agencies that provided data sets for our study parameters. We also would like to thank Megan Danielson and Fernando Lopez, who helped with this project, and the USF GSAL lab, which provided us with the tools to complete our analysis.